Hey friends, this is the Miss Wolfie from our half-acre homestead, and I have company today, so I'm going to make a quick dessert. I'm going to make a scratch dump cake. You're going to need a quart of your home canned apples or home canned apple pie filling. And I'm just going to drain it through a coffee filter while we get the rest of our stuff together. Okay, so here we have 2 cups of organic flour. Now none of this has to be organic. I just like to make things as organic as I can. 2 cups of organic flour, 1 cup of organic sugar, 2 fresh eggs, one of them is a turkey egg, 1/4 pound of butter, and of course the drippings from our apples and our apples themselves. To the flour, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. But first, we're going to put our butter and our sugar, and we're going to cream our butter and sugar together. We're going to add in our eggs, and we're going to let those whip a bit. We're just going to stir our baking soda, salt, and cinnamon together, and we're going to mix this alternating with our apple juice syrup. Okay, we'll shut this off. Thank you, cowgirl. I have a, I don't know, 10 by 10 baking dish which I've lined with parchment. And now I'm just going to dump my apples in here and just fold them in. And into the pan this goes. Now my oven is preheated at 350 degrees. We're just going to take this and drop it a couple of times. Get the air bubbles out of that, and that is going in a 350 degree oven for 50 to 60 minutes. Okay, our timer has gone off. And ooh, I'm going to say that was a successful homemade scratch dump cake. Now you can have this with ice cream if you want. You can put glaze or frosting on it if you want, but we're plain people and we like a plain dessert. So you'll see Papa test this out at dinner time. Howie?
Yes, dear.
Come bring that back here. Where's the cake? That is just my homemade scratch apple dump cake.
Très bien.
Thank you, dear. This is apple dump cake. It's just a cake mix, and I took my homemade home canned apples and syrup. I drained the syrup off, and I used that as the liquid in the cake. And then I made the cake batter, and then I just folded the apples in. And
it has a texture of bread pudding almost.
Very yes,
yeah,
very much. It's all it's the syrup and the apples.
It's absolutely delicious. I hope I get another piece before everybody else goes through it.
Does that mean it gets
only 3 left?
Does it get a thumbs up then?
Oh, 2 thumbs. 2 thumbs up. I'll put my spoon down. 2 thumbs
Thanks,
up.
Johnny.
That's fabulous.
This is the Miss Wolfie from our half-acre homestead saying you don't need a cake mix to make apple dump cake. You need what's in your pantry and a can of your home canned apples. Take care. God bless.